In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run an email campaign in Brevo. By the end, you will know exactly where to click, what to name your campaign, how to choose your audience, how to pick a template, and how to schedule your send. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the main navigation. Go to Marketing, then select Campaigns, and choose Email. This is the section where Brevo keeps all of your email campaigns, including drafts, scheduled campaigns, and anything you have already sent. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the email campaigns area helps you avoid building the wrong type of campaign, like SMS or automation. Next, click Create an Email Campaign, then choose Email when prompted. This tells Brevo you want a standard email campaign that you can design and send to a list of contacts. You will then be asked to name your campaign. Type a clear, recognizable name and click Create Campaign. Use a name that helps you identify the purpose later, such as a product update, a newsletter month, or a promotion. Good naming makes it easier to find the right campaign when you are reviewing results or duplicating it for a future send. Now it is time to choose who will receive the email. Select your recipients and then click Save. Make sure you choose the correct list or segment for this specific message. It is best to double-check that the audience matches your goal, because recipients determine who sees the content and how relevant your message feels. After saving recipients, click Design Email. Then look through the template options and choose one that matches your campaign. Templates help you move faster and keep a consistent layout, especially if you send emails regularly. Select the template you want and click Next to proceed. Finally, click Schedule. This is where you set when the campaign will go out. Scheduling lets you plan ahead and send at a specific time, which is helpful for coordinating launches, announcements, or time-sensitive offers. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.